put one away?
Well, if you want to see them separately, you're going to, otherwise how is he going to distinguish, you know, you're going to be able to tell which one's which? I guess he can.
Well, he can, because this one, I'll put this one over here.
That's the white-footed one you picked up, right?
Yeah, this is the red one. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Come, come, come. Hey. Come on. Come on. Come on. Now he's going to see how hard this is in the dead of winter when they're all wired up. Come on. Her tail keeps wagging. Come on. Come, come, come. Come, come, come. Come on. That didn't really work, did it? Don't wear your camera out. I would shut it off. Let me wear her down.
Whee!